With Passkey Authentication in IP2Location, you can sign in faster and safer using your fingerprint, face recognition, or device PIN. Let's walk you through how to enable it. First, log in to your IP2Location user account. Next, go to Profile. Now, scroll down to the Passkey Authentication section. Click on Turn on Passkey Authentication. Then, your browser will prompt you to save the passkey. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Please take note that prompts or options may look slightly different depending on your device and system settings. Once done, you will see the Passkey Authentication is being enabled. If you wish to disable the Passkey Authentication, just click on Turn off Passkey Authentication. Once disabled, your account will return to the standard password-based sign-in method. You can re-enable Passkey Authentication at any time for a faster and more secure login experience. Let's experience the future of login security by using Passkey Authentication.